Good afternoon, boys. Today we'll discuss octane number and octane rating of the SI engine fuel. Before going to that, let us discuss what we have discussed in some videos. In previous videos, we studied regarding the stages of combustion in SI engine. There are three stages of combustion in SI engine. First is ignition lag stage, which is the time span in between start of ignition and start of combustion. Second stage is propagation of flame. That is when the combustion starts, flame is propagated from one point to another point, and this flame propagation combusts all the air fuel mixture inside the combustion chamber, and then it will combust. Third stage is after burning. This stage is regarding the burning of the fuel which is remained after the main combustion process, and it will continue till the next stage will start in the SI engine. Then we also discussed different factors which are related or which affect the ignition lag process, flame propagation process, and after burning. Again, we discussed what are the effect of that different stages on SI engine combustion and their working. Then we discussed detonation. What is detonation? Also, we discussed detonation and their effect on the engine power output. That we have seen that the detonation is the abnormal combustion process. Again, we also studied regarding what is delay period, what is knocking and their effects, also different parameters which affect the knocking we studied. Now today we'll discuss next point of this chapter, which is the octane number and octane rating of the SI engine fuel. An octane number is a measure of knocking tendency of gasoline fuels in spark ignition engines, the ability of a fuel to resist auto ignition during compression. मतलब आपके फ्यूल का ऑटो इग्निशन होने से रोकने का जो नंबर है, उसकी जो एबिलिटी है वो आपके ऑक्टेन नंबर के ऊपर रहती है during compression, and prior to the spark ignition gives it a high octane number. 2 octane test can be performed for gasoline. That is, 2 octane test can be performed for gasoline. The motor octane number, which indicates the engine performance at highway conditions with a high speeds of 900 rpm. On the other hand, the research octane number is the indicative of low speed city driving, that is 600 rpm के लिए है. Now RON, which is research octane number of the fuel, may be estimated from the pseudo component techniques in the following form. RON is equal to XNP RONNP plus XJP RONP plus XO RONO, where X is the volume of fraction of different hydrocarbons families, that is N-paraffin, isoparaffin, olefin, naphthalene, and aromatics. So all these RON of pseudo components form from N-paraffin, isoparaffin, olefin, naphthalene, and aromatic families, whose boiling points are same as the mid boiling point of the ASTM D86 temperature at 50% point of fraction. So this is the chart which shows the boiling point in degree centigrade plus research octane number of the different paraffin, olefin, isoparaffin, etc. Now there is another graphical relation of the estimation of RON on the naphthanes in terms of kilowatt characterization factors for or the paraffin content, that is percentage of weight of the paraffin, and the mid boiling point as given in the figure below. मतलब ये भी एक फैक्टर है जिससे हम RON ढूंढ सकते हैं या निकाल सकते हैं, कैरेक्टराइजेशन फैक्टर वर्सेस रिसर्च ऑक्टेन नंबर का जो ग्राफ है उससे. Now RON, research octane number, for these various hydrocarbon groups have been correlated to the normal boiling point Tb in the following form: RON is equal to A plus Bt plus Ct square plus Dt cube plus Et raised to 4, where research octane number is the clear research octane number, that is T is equal to Tb 273.15 divided by 100, in which Tb is the boiling point in Kelvin. Based on the data taken from the API TDB, the coefficients of AE were determined are given below. There are some examples. Then these are the octane numbers and their uses. Now let us see the another points regarding octane number. Now let us see the octane number in another point of view. It is a standard measure of the performance of an engine. The higher the octane number, more the fuel can be withstand before detonating or igniting. This number can be counted by representing with a mixture of 2,4 tetramethyl pentane or isooctane, which has high resistance for early ignition, and N-heptane, which has fast detonation. Now let us see another point.